Welcome back, travelers. Today we are exploring a country that many people still do not know about. A hidden gem of Europe, a land full of untouched beaches, dramatic mountains, ancient castle, warm-hearted people, delicious food and beautiful traditions. So, travelers, welcome to Albania, the most underrated country in Europe. In 2025, Albania is quickly becoming one of the top travel destinations, not only because it's affordable, but because it's offer raw beauty, amazing adventures and a culture that feel real and heartfelt. If you want a Europe trip that is peaceful, natural, full of history and vibrant local life, Albania is the place you must visit. So in this complete travel guide, we will cover why Albania is so unique, the most beautiful places to visit, people, culture, harmony and lifestyle. Of course, about the adventure, beaches, mountains, food, dressing, festivals, relationship and marriage culture, interesting and amazing facts, and also a deep emotional conclusion that will touch your heart. So my dear audience, let's begin the journey to Europe hidden paradise. So basically, Albania is not crowded like Italy, Greece or France. Here you get beautiful beaches with clear Turkish water but with few tourists. You get mountains like Switzerland but with local warmth and traditional life. You get Mediterranean culture but in a calm, authentic way. Everything in Albania is natural, untouched, raw and full of character. Travelers visit Albania because it's budget friendly, it feels safe and peaceful. Locals are incredibly welcomed. Nature is breathtaking, food is delicious and fresh, culture is rich, old and interesting. This is the Europe that made travelers dream of, beautiful, affordable and truly charming. Now let's talk about the top places to visit in Albania, and the first one is the Tirana, the colorful capital. Tirana is lively, colorful, full of cafe, museum and modern Albanian culture. The streets are painted, the nightlife is energetic and the people are friendly. You can visit the pyramids of Tirana and the beautiful Grand Park. Okay, the next one is Beirut, the city of 1,000 windows, a UNESCO World Heritage town with white Ottoman house built on a hillside. It's look like a painting. The ancient castle offer breathtaking views and traditional Albina vibes. The next one is Stone, city of history, another UNESCO site with stone houses, narrow streets and a giant castle. It feels like you travel back in time. The next one is the Albanian Revivery. This is where Albania completely surprises you. The coastline is stunning, perfect beaches, Turkish water, cliff caves and gentle waves. Do you know there is very famous spots that include Kashmali, Himaria, Brosh, Dhirmi, Saranda. Many travelers say that Revivery is even more beautiful than Greece. The next one is Tith and Valbonia, a dream for nature lovers. Towering mountains, blue river, quiet villages and incredible hiking trails. Basically, this valley is very peaceful, clean and absolutely stunning and you should have to go there. The next one is Lake Ohrid, shared with North Macedonia. This lake is calm, clear and surrounding by history. It is perfect for relaxing, swimming, boat riding and photography. Now let's discuss the food of Albania. Albanian cuisine is delicious and healthy. It is mix of Mediterranean and Turkish flavors. If I talk about the famous dishes that include barik, a crispy pastry filled with cheese or Spanish. The next one is Filija. Filija is a traditional layered pancake that is so delicious and so sweet. The next one is grilled seafood. If you are a seafood lover, this place is perfect for you because there is fresh from the coast. The people also like pitiola, that is Albanian style donuts, and also fresh salad, olives and cheese, etc. Do you know Albanian food is simple but full of love, full of flavors and people love to eat. Now let's talk about the dressing and the fashion style. In Albania, the dressing style is a mix of modern European fashion and traditional clothing. People dress very slightly, especially in Tirana and coastal areas. Women love bright colored dresses and casual Mediterranean style. And if I talk about the men, they often wear clean fitted outfits, shirts and modern casual wear. Traditional Albanian clothing is colorful and symbolic, usually worn during festivals and weddings. The next thing is Albanian people and their lifestyle. Albanians are known for their hospitality. If you visit an Albanian home, they treat you like a family member. They are warm, polite and extremely welcoming. Their lifestyle is peaceful and social. Families stay close, neighbors know each other, and people enjoy long conversation in cafes. Do you know Albanians love nature, music, dancing, coffee gathering, and simple happy living? Do you know about the relationship and marriage culture in Albania? Albania has a beautiful blend of modern and traditional values. Basically, dating is common and accepted. People often meet through friends or at a social gathering. Marriage is important and celebrated with big family events. Weddings include dancing, music, and traditional clothes. Loyalty, respect, and family honor are valued deeply. People in Albania take relationships seriously. Love is strong and long term. The next thing is adventurous activities. Albania is perfect for adventure lovers. You can enjoy hiking in the Alps, swimming in the blue water of Kesmal. You can explore ancient castle, paragliding in Dharmi, boat tour in Lake Koma, diving and snorkeling, cave exploration. Beside that, you can do a road trip along the Rivarvi, camping in perfect and peaceful mountains. Nature here is wild, free, and unforgettable, and you got next level experience. Now let's move toward the interesting and amazing facts about Albania. And the first one is so amazing that Albania has no McDonald's. Local prefer nature food. The country is one of the safest in Europe. Albania shake their head for yes and nods for no, opposite of most common countries. Basically, Albania has more bunkers than any country in the world. Mother Teresa was Albanian. Albania has some of the clearest seawater in Europe. Many European travelers called Albania Mediterranean last secret paradise. As we came to the end of this journey, non-Albania, one thing become clear. This country is not just a destination, it's a feeling. Albania stay with you long after you leave. It is a place where mountains touch the sky, beaches glow under golden sunset, and ancient town whispers stories of empires, traditions, courage, and resilience. It's a country that never tries too hard to impress, yet still win every traveler's heart. Albania is beautiful not only because of its landscape but because of its soul. The people here welcome you like family. They smile warmly even before you say hello. Basically, they invite you to their home, offer food from their tables, and tell you proudly about their culture, their tradition, and their history. This is the kind of hospitality the modern world has almost forgotten, but Albanian keeps it alive. This country is also a treasure for adventures, hiking on untouched mountains, swimming in crystal clear river, exploring castle, riding boats on deep blue lakes, and wandering through towns that look like time has stopped. There is no overwhelming crowd, no noisy tourist trap, only silence, nature, and the sound of your footstep echoing through history. And perhaps the most surprising thing about Albania is how diverse it is for such a small country. One day you are exploring white sand beaches, the next day you are enjoying snow mountains village, and the next day after that you can go to a city filled with cafes, music, and modern European vibes. Albania is many words in one place, and that's what make it unforgettable. So that's for today, my dear audience. Hopefully this video is interesting and informative for you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and do share with your family and friends. We will meet in the next video. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.